Shared Services Forum, BPM Achiever in Global India, presented to Mr. Romi Malhotra in recognition of stellar contribution in a transformational strategic leadership and operations role in Global India, delivering value and business impact.
But if that's the reason of the award, then I think it says a lot about shared services. But thanks a lot for giving this opportunity to me to speak.
Context, we just wanted to understand that what is the current digital quotient. The fourth is looking at the deployment, and I think the talent, as Navneet was saying, coming in the afternoon, and people, obviously it's a very important thing. I think since the morning when Pankajam started, she talked about the talent and the leadership and being relevant from the leadership point of view. It's also about how to look at that balance between the multiple things like capacity and capability.
Therefore, go to this next phase of digital business services, which goes beyond, tech enabled to really having technology integrated.
How important it is for GBS or shared service, whatever you want to call it, to be a strategic asset for the company. We have heard from the sponsors to say that, how does the board look at transformation? This session is about how do people who are heading the centers make it real? So I think this is where virtually the rubber hits the road, so to say, of saying that, for the eminent panel that we have here, each one of them are leading a large GBS organization, a shared services organization, which has been in the forefront of moving from cost center to a strategic asset or a capability center. So the idea is really to understand and go deeper into how do you make it happen as a leader, as an individual.
To create this fraternity of leaders, you are driving accountability for the highest levels of integrity and professionalism